Attention students and freelancers. Are you the one who wanted to make money in the online, or you're a freelance beginner and you're not getting multiple clients, you don't know how to charge higher, you're not getting high paying clients, you don't know building your portfolio, you don't know how to send the proposals, the first DM, all this confusion will be in the beginning of your freelancing journey. So my name is Srinandini. I have been working as a freelancer from the past 2.5 years, where I'm having good experience of getting clients, how to talk to the client, how to pitch the client, and all this stuff. So I'm conducting an exclusive webinar where I'll be sharing how you can get a client, how much money you can make as a freelancer. And if you're a student and you don't know, zero knowledge on the freelancing, you don't know anything, I'll be telling what is freelancing, how much money you can make, what are the skills required. All this content I'll be sharing in this webinar. And if you're a freelance beginner, how to get clients, exact framework I'll be sharing inside the webinar, that how you can make 50,000 to 1 lakh every month as a freelancer. This exact framework I'll be sharing on this particular webinar. So make sure to click the link below in the description and join my webinar. Check out my landing page. In my landing page, I have wrote everything in detail. What are the bonuses you will be getting? You will be getting absolutely 23,499 rupees bonuses absolutely for free if you are registering the webinar right now. Definitely register to my webinar where I have given the link, and also share this particular video to who are in need of money, or who are struggling as a freelancer and who wanted to build their career as a freelancer. Just share this video to all of them. It will be a lot of thanks giving for me. And also comment below if you're having any questions regarding this webinar, so I will be personally replying to each and every comment. So that's all for today's video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like.